Welcome! I'm glad you dropped by. This is Safari Sam, and I'm going to show you how to write letters. Are you ready to learn how to write another letter? Animal letters help us write letters correctly. Now, if you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out our Learning to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free writing letter template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. You heard me right. You heard me right. A letter can start almost anywhere except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter H. Do you remember what the animal letter, the lowercase h, is? That's right. It's a giraffe letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letter because it is what we use most when we write. Each letter we write 2 times. The first time we write it with the dotted letters. The second time we write it without the dotted letters. Are you ready to practice the letter H? Do you have your page so you can practice with me? Okay, let's go. When I do the uppercase H, I start at the top and I go all the way down. Are you following me? You can do it too, all the way to the bottom, and then we stop. And then I go here to the other side and do the line down, straight down to the bottom, and then we stop. And then we come to the middle and we go straight across. And there is our uppercase H. Now with the lowercase h, I'm going to start it the same way. I'm going to go up here to the top. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and then I'm going to stop. Pick up my pen and come right here, and then I'm going to go around and then down to the bottom, and then I'm going to stop. And there is our H, uppercase and lowercase. Now it's time to try it without the dotted lines. Are you ready? Did you do your first ones good? Well, now we're going to do it all by ourselves without the dotted lines. Okay, here we go. Let me erase my board. You don't have to do that. Isn't that cool? You just have your lines that you can write on. All right, here we go. Remember, the uppercase H, I start at the top and I go down all the way to the bottom, and then I stop. And then I come over here and I do another one all the way to the bottom, and then I stop. And then where do I go? Yeah, that's right. We go to the middle and we go across. Ta-ta-ta-ta. And there is our uppercase H. Now the lowercase h, I start at the top because it's a giraffe letter, and I'm going to go all the way down and stop at the bottom line. And then I come about right here and I go up and around and then back down to the bottom. And there is our lowercase h. How did you do? Did you do well? I bet you did. Just keep practicing, and pretty soon your letters are going to look amazing. All right, well, it's time for me to go, but I hope you come back for my next letter. See you later. Bye.